Hey, superstar, this is Wesley. Billion dollar virgin. Listen up. I'm going to show you undeniable proof, the lazy way to make $10,000 per month. Is there a lazy way to do it? So I'm going to show you step by step how to make $10,000 every single month using your computer, your iPhone, iPad, Galaxy phone, without almost not much work. Now, listen, people ask me all the time, Weston, how do we know that you're really a multi-millionaire? How do we know that are you actually making money? I mean, is that really your place? Is that really your Versace wallpaper on the wall? So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to log into one of my accounts. It's a merchant processor, so you can see. Watch this. Now, look, I have many accounts. You see that it's a lot of them, right? So I'm going to log in a few to prove to you that the money is real. Here's one account right here. Look, let me show you. Let's look how much money is in here. You see that 2020, 400,000, 2020, 100,000. So look, this is $500,000. Listen, that's one company. I have 15. Listen, let me log out again. Let me show you something else. Smash the like button if you can see this and you can hear this. I'm doing this for the naysayers because it's people on YouTube, on the internet, just don't believe that it's real. So let me log into another company here. Give me a second. Hold your horses here. All right, I'm going to log into another company here. All right, boom, 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 boom. Let me log in here. Boom, boom, boom. You see this right here? Bam, that's $326,000, and that's 200. So that's $500,000. I'm not done yet. Smash the like button. I'm not done yet. Listen here. I want to be transparent. I'm going to log in again. Another company here. See that? Another company. Boom, boom, boom. Let's log in. Check it out. Now this is, how much is this? Look at that. That's $1.4 million, $1.5 million. That's $3 million. And I show you that to let you know that you can do this, okay? And so first up is this. Go to digistore.com. I'm going to give you two websites that I know 100% guarantee you will make a ton of money if you follow exactly what I'm about to show you here. I'm going to give you two sites, and all you need to do is pay close attention. You're going to go to digistore24.com. Now, listen, Digistore24 is an affiliate marketplace, okay? These people, they pay you money, okay? They're going to give you money every week. I get money every 2 days, though, me. But I'm going to show you something, because what I'm going to show you is how to create your first digital product. Is that cool? Look, this is what you do. Marketplace. Go to Marketplace. Are you with me, guys? You go to Marketplace, okay? Click on that. Now, check this out. You see all this stuff? You see all these words right here? Look at that. Computer, internet, business, investment. So what we're going to do is we want to find a product because we're getting ready to create one. And the great thing about this, you don't have to be an expert in anything. I'm going to show you what people do behind the scenes and the reason why so many people fail, because they just fail to listen and pay attention to people who have already done it, which is me, okay? I don't want you to waste another 5 years of your life doing the same dumb stuff, working the same dumb job, driving the same car, when you can be following what Wesley Virgin is about to pour into that big head of yours, okay? Listen, so what you want to do is this. I want everybody to comment these words below. Model, okay? Model. I'm not talking about Instagram models. I'm not talking about Kylie Jenner. I'm talking about model. You're going to choose a product on Digistore24, which is already popular. I mean, it's there. It's a very popular website here. And you're going to basically model a product here, okay? See these products here? These are now look, this is a physical product, so we don't want to model this. Let's X that out. That's a digital product, so that's a possible product we can model, okay? Just follow me here. Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin, that's my product here, Genie Script. Now check it out. To be fair and to be cool and to not step on anybody's toes, you can model my product right now. Honestly, you can model it. I'm not mad at you. Listen, now what do I mean by model? Has anybody ever ate those French fries at McDonald's? They good, right? They so good, right? So guess what? When the McDonald's made those French fries and burgers, guess who else made some burgers and French fries? Burger King, okay? They're both billion-dollar companies, which means is even if you grab my product right now, right? And you decide to model it. It's not going to take any food out of my mouth. Does that make sense? It is enough for everybody to win. But it doesn't make sense for you to go out there and think that you're going to be Elon Musk and be so innovative and create something brand new. Listen, you may make a little money, but you're not going to be independently rich, right? You're not going to have Versace wallpaper. That's not going to happen. Comment this word below, big head, model, and smash the like button for me. Okay? Model. Model. You're getting older and broker. Just model what's already working. Right here, Genie Script. That's doing more than 6 figures every single month. What does that mean? It works. So you may say, okay, Wesley, how do I model? This is what you do. You go here and click on the sales page here. What is a sales page, Wesley? Well, a sales page is basically the video or the information that's going to persuade you to buy it now. That's all what it does. A sales page sells people around the world, even you, right, to buy the product. And the better the sales page, the more money you make. Okay? This right here has already made $10 million. Listen, this is digital. Stay with me. Smash the like button if you can see yourself bringing in millions of dollars this year by following these simple steps. This simple video, and it's a YouTube video, folks. I'm not even paying for the video. I'm like, it's YouTube, right? But that video that you can model right now, listen here. Some of you gonna be like, man, Wesley, I love this guy. Listen, no, I swear to God, no one will ever share this type of info. Never. All you need to do is model that. What does that mean? Watch the video, like tonight, like today. Listen, I don't know how broke you are and how starving for success that you are right now. But if I was broke and I was starving for success and I was sick and tired of my job and sick and tired of my life, right? I would just watch this entire video. I would transcribe the entire video, okay? And I would create my own version of the video. Does that make sense? Okay. Are you guys with me? Smash the like button if you're with me here. I want to go very slow here. So that's what you do. You're going to purchase that. You're going to buy it. Let me tell you why you buy it. You buy it because you want to model the sales page and you want to model the upsells. Okay. What are upsells? Listen, you ever bought a car? You know when you buy a car and you say, okay, great, sir, you're going to get ready to buy the car. But maybe you also need bigger rims. Maybe you need tint. Maybe you need an upgraded radio. So that's what we do online. This is digital. Now, listen, I know some of you are thinking, well, Wesley, but how about the product? What does that come? Can you just pay attention and relax and slow down for a second? Okay, listen, that's your problem. You move too fast. Slow down, okay? Once you buy this, okay, only for modeling purposes, you want to transcribe that video. That means every word that you hear in this video here is strategic, okay? It's every word in this video is very strategic, okay? We use very powerful psychological forces to put this video together. And you're going to take it basically just by modeling the video, okay? Is that cool? Now, listen, some of you might say, well, Wesley, I don't have any money to buy this. This is what you do. Let me show you a trick here. Listen, once you register for Digistore, okay, you're going to register for a free account from Digistore. And once you get your free account, and then when you log in, let me log in real quick, okay? Once you log in here, this is what you're going to do. When you get ready to buy the product that you're going to model, okay, when you get ready to buy the product that you're going to model, stay with me here. All you're going to do is, you see that link right here? That's called your affiliate link. So you're going to get 80%. So if you spend $30, you're basically going to pay only $6. Okay? Does that make sense? So you get the money back. You buy it, you get the money back. Okay? For everybody that's broke and super lazy. Okay? So listen. Now, you may say, well, Wesley, where do we get the product from? Where do I get the product from? Are you guys with me here? You should be taking notes here because I think I'm going to delete the video. Listen, this is what you do. Like, oh, I can't believe I'm sharing this. Listen, this is what you do, okay? And this is what a ton of people do, okay? Listen, so you might say, well, Wesley, I don't have a product about how to manifest. I don't have a product about the law of attraction here. This is what you do, okay? Go to Amazon.com. Okay, see that? Amazon.com. Type in how to manifest. Stay with me here. I know somebody getting turned on. They're getting excited because they're getting ready to leave their job. I swear to God, you're going to make $10,000 per month. And at the end of this video, I'm going to guarantee it. I'm going to show you why. Look at this. The Magic of Manifesting. Right? That's a book. But what you want to do is get a book that's not a bestseller. Let me show you something here. Please don't tell anybody I told you this, folks. Hold on. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to find a book that's already existing on Amazon and find one that has like no reviews or free, like this one. And then you reach out, not Richcraft, look, then you reach out to the author and say, hey man, I see your book is not selling. I want to know if I can get the rights to it. Maybe I can make it work. You can either give them 10% or they may just give it to you for free. They may just do it for $100. Does that make sense? So you take a book that already exists about the topic or the niche that you're getting ready to model and duplicate online, okay? And that's what you do. Now, I know some of you might say, isn't that cheating? Isn't that copying? Listen, hey, you know what TikTok is? You know what TikTok is, right? Do you know what Reels are? Yeah, that's Instagram basically stealing basically what TikTok is trying to do. It's called competition. It's game. Everybody, oh my God, everybody does it, okay? Everybody's wealthy. Instagram did it to TikTok. Facebook did it to MySpace. Does that make sense? So I need you to get this whole notion about, I don't want to be a copier. I don't want to copy. That's not right. It's unethical. You're going to be broke for the rest of your life. I'm going to be honest with you. People that speak like that. Listen, so what you do is you find a book that gets no reviews, no sales, that's free. And you're going to take that book. You're going to reach out to the author first, get it approved with him. What I like to do, sometimes I just give them 25% or 10% or whatever, right, of all the product sales or whatever, or for the first year, right? Most of these people, they're okay with it because they're not doing nothing with it. So they say, fine, you can just have it. So then you come back to Digistore and you put the product on Digistore for free. Does that make sense? You put the product on Digistore for free. Smash the like button if you understand what I just said. You're going to publish the product that you just modeled, which is Wesley Virgin. I'm giving you permission to model. Don't copy my stuff. I'll sue you. But you can model, okay? Let me tell you something about everything on the planet. It's a ton of weight loss products. It's a ton of money-making products. It's a ton of relationship products. It's a ton of sex products. It's a ton of products for everything, okay? Does that make sense? So don't believe that you're creating something brand new under the sun. So what you do is model. You have to buy everything that you see in the Genie script because you're going to take these pages and you're going to model. Does that make sense? Now, let me give you the second site. If you're getting excited right now and ready to do this, comment below. Let's go! This is the lazy way. This is lazy. All right? Lazy means you don't have to be innovative. You don't have to use your imagination. You don't have to be creative. You can just do it. Look, clickbank.com. That's the second site that you can utilize to make this money. Okay? Clickbank.com. That's what you do. You get a free account. It's free. It's free. It's free, folks. I'm going to log into one of my accounts. See all my accounts? Look at all these companies. I have a lot of companies, right? Because listen, I'm just not talking. I do it. I model a ton of products. I model a lot of products. Honestly, because if it works, why do something different? Look, you log into clickbank.com. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. These folks have paid me over $30 million in the past, 3 years, okay, when I got started with them. They paid me a ton of money here. They love me at ClickBank, even though they kicked me out because, Mr. Virgin like to break the rules. But that's what I do. I don't care, but I'm still rich. Check it out. Go to Marketplace here. Are you with me? Smash the like button if you're with me. Smash the like button if you're going to decide to sub to the channel right now. Sub, baby. Okay? All you want to do is it says find products here. I'm giving you two options because I love you. So smash the like button. Show me some love. I'm giving you two sites, not one. Okay? Look here. You see this? All you have to do is model. Okay. You find a product to model. Say if you want to go inside of the weight loss niche, just model, man. Listen, this is what I teach in my course. And I go deeper in the course. And as a matter of fact, I put a link below. But listen, all you have to do, you don't have to be smart. You just model what's already working. You go to Amazon.com. Look at this. Type in weight loss book, whatever. Look, I'm lazy. Look at me. Look at my feet. I'm lazy right now, just like you, right? Because that's what you want. You want to make money the lazy way, okay? Weight loss book here. Look at that. See that? Weight loss book. And you just find a book, okay? Are you guys? Can you guys hear me? Okay, great. Listen, you just find a book that sucks. You find a book that sucks. So you go here, low to high, okay? And I know somebody asking me, how do you market? How do you market? Can you relax? I'm gonna show you, big head. Somebody smash the like button for that big head person to ask that question. So you just find a book. You find a book that's doing terrible, okay? Find a book that's like dog water, bro. I mean, it's just not good, you know? And all you're going to do is talk to the owner of the book and use their book, give them a commission, a percentage, and voila. You're basically going to model this product. If it's weight loss, that product, okay? See that? If it's a dental product, just model this one. It works. They're making a lot of money. You see that 310 gravity? All that means is 300 plus people are making money with this product in the last 12 weeks. That's insane. Okay, numerologist here. So you smash the like button if you understand what I just did. Now, how many of you need more help? This is what I'm going to do. Because I told you in the beginning of this video, I can guarantee to make $10,000. Like, I can guarantee that you will make $10,000. The people I partner with, I change their lives all the time. I do it all the time. Ariella, I changed her life. This guy named Ari from Romania, I changed his life. I made these people millionaires, all because they paid attention. I want you to believe something, that you can do this, okay? Like for 30 to 45 days, block out the noise, shut the window shades, tell Alexa, close my bedroom.
A few things share that name. Bedroom, master bedroom, and master bedroom left bulb. Which one did you want?
Alexa, close bedroom. Close the shades, right? See that? Go dark for like 45 days. Go dark and just watch this video over and over again until you get it and apply it. So it's up to you. I love you so much. It's time to get to work. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated. Let's go. Smash the like button. Let go.